Well, I thought I was going to finish off with a biggish vase today, last bit of clay, so get on with it. Try this new angle again, see if it's any better. So I'll try a sort of rounder vase. £6 of clay again, just centering it up by coning it up as usual, bigger stuff. And just bringing it down. It's a lot easier to centre big stuff if you do that. Just open it up, leave about 3/8 of an inch thickness at the base and press it down. So as usual, just a little bit of a heel lift using my right hand to get some of the thick stuff up from the bottom before I start to pull. And just collar it in, narrow it in at the bottom by squeezing it. Just collar it up. And then as always, the knuckle lift, using the knuckle of my right index finger against the hand inside. Just dig it in at the base and lift up, push together. So you can get plenty of clay up in one pull once you get the hang of it. So again, I'm just going to keep collaring it in. Might go a little bit off at the top, but I'll just tidy that up with the needle. Collar it up again, give it one final little lift, try and get the last bit of thick stuff up from the bottom. Try and start to shape it now. I'm going to just push it in a bit at the base again, try and get it a bit narrower. Just squeeze it in. Tidy the top up. Go in now and make the shape a bit nicer. the shoulder up just by spreading it out from the inside out. That'll just about do. Not the best ever, but it'll do. So that's that mopped out. Just give it a final little sponging off. So that's that. There's a little £6 vase.